Hi, Matt Adams speaking, and I'm going to show using Geometry Sketchpad that the sum of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, given only that a straight line has an angle equal to 180 degrees, and that for parallel lines, alternate interior angles are equal to each other. My first step is to create a point, which I'm going to label A. I'm then going to create a second point labeled B, and I'm going to select my 2 points and construct a line through it. Now that I have my line, I am then going to construct a third point above the line. I'm going to call this point C, and I'm going to construct lines through point C and A, and through points C and B. I have 3 angles now that I would like to note. Angle 1 is going to be angle CAB. Angle 2 is going to be angle ABC, and angle 3 is going to be angle ACB. I'm then going to select the line through A and B and the point C, and I'm going to construct a parallel line of AB through my point C. This now results in 2 other angles I would like to note. Angle 4, which is going to be through the points, let's label one right here and call it D. And angle 4 will represent angle DCA, and then angle 5 will represent angle ECB. Now, because I know a straight angle is equal to 180 degrees, I know that angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Because I know that for parallel lines, alternate interior angles are equal, I know that angle 4 is equal to angle 1, and that angle 5 is equal to angle 2. If angle 4 is equal to angle 1 and angle 5 is equal to angle 2, thus angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees, meaning that the triangle ABC has a sum of 180 degrees. I can now use Geometry Sketchpad to further prove this. If I select the points D, C, A, I can measure its angle of 63.08 degrees. Because angle 4 is equal to angle 1, I can then select point CAB, which is the representation of angle 1, and we see that they're the same. I can then select angle ACB, which represents angle 3, and get that. And I can also get angle CBA, which is representation of angle 2, and measure that. And then since angle 2 is equal to angle 5, I can take angle ECB, which represents angle 5, and measure that, and we get 57.18 for both. I can now use a calculator, and I can add angle angle DCA, which represents angle 4, add that to angles ACB, which is angle 3, and I can add that to angles ECB, which is angle 5, and we see it's 180. And similarly, if I measure angle 1, which is CAB, plus angle 3, which is ACB, plus angle 2, which is ABC, it's also equal to 180 degrees.